Hi guys, we're going to look at this topic called social and commercial arithmetic. This is a paper 1 topic, and we'll look at the following questions. So these are exam type of questions. The first question is as follows. A businessman bought 300 company shares, so we can highlight, we can underline the numbers. So we have 300 company shares at 60 kwacha. So the nominal price was 30 kwacha. So how much does he pay for the shares? All right. So now here we are told to say the company the shares were bought at 60 kwacha. Then the nominal price was 30 kwacha. Now the question is that how much does he pay for the shares? So what we're going to do firstly is that we're going to find the difference between the nominal price and the actual cost. So the actual cost is 60 kwacha, then the nominal price is 30 kwacha. So what we're going to do is that we're going to get the difference. So we're going to say 60 kwacha, then we're going to subtract 30 kwacha. So what do we get when we say 60 subtract 30? We are getting a 30 kwacha. So the difference has given us 30. So this 30 kwacha that we have found as difference, we're going to multiply it by the number of shares. So we multiply the difference by the number of shares. So we know that the difference we have found is 30. Then the question is that how many shares do we have? So we have 300 shares. So we're going to say 30 multiplied by 300. So what do we get? So 3 times 3 is 9. Then we just add the zeros. So that one is going to be 9,000. So the final answer will be 9,000 kwacha. So that is the amount. We proceed. We look at another question. So here is question 2 for you. A company declared a dividend of 1 kwacha 15 ngwe per share. Musalala has 600 shares in company. How much will she get? Right, now the dividend is 1 kwacha 15 ngwe per share. Then we are looking at 600 shares. Now the question is that how much is the person going to get? So this is just simple, because to get the amount, so I'm going to say amount that this person is supposed to get will be equal to dividend per share. So dividend per share multiplied by number of shares. So number of shares. Okay. So the dividend per share is 1 kwacha 15 ngwe. So we are saying we have 1 kwacha 15 ngwe. Then we're multiplying it by 600 shares. So what are we going to have? Now what is 1 kwacha 15 ngwe? Now you should be able to, this is 1.5. What is 1.5? 1.5 is the same as 3 over 2 as a fraction. So 1.5 is the same as 3 over 2. Then this 3 over 2 is going to multiply 600. Then what we're going to do is we're going to say 2 into 2 is 1. 2 into 600, that is 300. Then the 300 will multiply the 3. So what is it? 3 times 300? We're going to get 900. So the amount here we are getting is 900. So that is the answer. Now let us look at another example so that we can cement our understanding on this topic. Ngiwezi invested 14,500 in a business firm. The condition was that if she left shares in the firm for 12 months, right, a profit of 5% would be added to her shares. How much will she get at the end of 12 months? So we're able to see that the actual amount that has been invested is 14,500. Then Now she's requested to leave those shares for 12 months. Now 12 months is equal to a year. Then she's going to get profit at 5%. So now this is a question on simple interest. I hope you still remember this, because this is a concept which is also found at junior secondary. So interest is found by saying principal times rate times time over 100. So that's how you can find interest. Now principal, that's the amount, all right, the amount that has been invested, so which is 14,500. That's the amount that has been invested. The rate is a percentage, so I'll just write 5. We're dividing by 100 because to get rid of the percent we should divide by 100. So 5 multiplied by time should be in years, so 12 months is the same as 1 year, then divided by 100. Then what we'll do is that if the 100 is gone here, even here the 2 zeros are gone. Then what remains on top is 145 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 1. So 145 multiplied by 5, that is 725. 725. Okay, so this 725 we have found is what we call the interest. That's just the interest. Now the question is saying how much will she get at the end of the 12 months? So now the amount of money, so this is how you find the amount that you'll get. So the amount of money that you'll get after 12 months will be equal to the principal plus the interest. Now the principal, the amount that she invested was 14,500. Now she'll get back her 14,500, then now plus the interest that they're going to give her, which is 725. So what is 14,500 plus 725? So that one is giving us, you can add those two. So that one is giving us about 15,225. So 15,225. So that's the amount that she is going to get at the end of 12 months. Okay, after looking at, sometimes they might ask you to just find the interest. So if they ask you to find the interest, then you end on the 725, but they've asked us to find the amount you get at the end. So that should be a combination of the interest and the principal. As usual, I'll leave you with 2 questions that you can try. So the first question is this. So if you can try out this question, then you also try out another question, which is the following. So you try out this other question. So by the way, this number is I think maybe for those who might, this is a 700. So this is a 7, not 100. So this is a 700 here. So it's saying each and 700 ordinary shares. So this is a 700. So it's supposed to be 7. So I mostly write 7 like that. So it's a 700. Okay.